Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Bosch rear 12-inch blade, and I'm going to be using this to replace it on a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. I just wanted to show you what you get in case you wanted to see what it actually looked like. Pretty simple, standard replacement blade. What we're going to do is we're going to go out to the Jeep and we're going to replace this thing. I'm going to show you how to do it. So we've got our back blade. This is my old one. All you're going to do is you're going to pull this back a little bit. I like to kind of stick my thumb under here, and you're going to give this piece a good push. And all you're doing is you're popping out this pin. You've got a pin in the middle here that's going to go in this little hole that's on the back side there. There's really nothing to it. You just get your new blade. We're going to line up the pin with the hole. Give it a good push. It's going to snap in place, and we've successfully changed out our blade. It takes 2 seconds, nothing to it.